Hello. Did not see you standing there. Today we got some really awesome Helix updates, and I wanted to go over a couple of them real quick. The first one that's really nice is the Git diff gutter. So if you come in and you open up a file, let's say we want to select these and we can comment them out. Now you can see we actually have a Git diff right there, which is super exciting. Now let's say I want to come over here and comment those out as well. The other thing that we can do is we can actually jump between these Git diffs. I am extremely excited about this. So that is a long time coming. It's very awesome. And so you got changes, you got deletions, and then you also have additions. And you can jump between all of them, I believe. Yes. So that's very, 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 very cool. So that's the first one. The next one, we have underline styles and colors. I personally won't be using this, but it looks like it'll be nice for error messages, so that's very nice. Autosave when the terminal loses focus, maybe nice, I'm not really sure. Multi-cursor completion, that's actually pretty cool. So if we come in here and we say something like, let's see here, we're gonna add a couple lines here, and I'm already loving that Git integration. And we're gonna say let's add a couple cursors. Hang on, we'll add a couple cursors down here, and then we'll say final my thing equals fake delay. We can grab that, and so now we're actually able to auto-complete all those things, which we couldn't do in the past. So that's pretty awesome. Now the next one is buffer line. This is something I'm super excited about. So we're gonna try it right now. We're gonna actually go ahead and edit this. I haven't done this yet, so config open. We're gonna go to editor dot bufferline equals, and then we're gonna do always and see what happens. Config reload. And now we can see all of our buffers at the top. So we got main.dart, config.toml. If I do space B, we should see both of these here. And what's really cool is I can do G, N, and I can do GP to switch between them. So if I want to come in here, I can close this. Let's say I want to open another file. We'll open game view. We will open logger, and now I can switch between these pretty quickly. So that's a very exciting thing. Oh, and it even shows, what is that? Unsaved changes? Oh, dude, love that. The only thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and go to config open. I'm going to change this from always. I'm going to change that from always to multiple. So what that should do is if we close, oh, we got to reload, config reload. If we close this one and then close this one and then close this one, now it will only show if there's multiple. So that's going to be the one that I'm going to do. And other than that, we've got a couple improvements here. I'm wondering if we have LSP code pass. Okay, I don't know if we got this one. Let's check this one. So there used to be a hang on, it was a hang on right quit. We'll check to see if that's been fixed. That would be very exciting. So let's just add a bunch of stuff and then do a right quit. And looks like that hang has been resolved. So it looks like some of the language server error handling has been fixed up and cleaned up. So very cool. Kind of lost my hands there. Very cool. Very exciting. Love the new changes. I believe it's on brew now, or you can just build it from source. So enjoy, and I hope you guys have a good rest of the week. Thank you.